Class 10 student, these are some very important question of chapter number 6 which you have to do from this video. These are NCERT exemplar question and some CBSE based questions. All plants give out oxygen during day. Yes, because they do the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis की प्रोसेस करते हैं दिन में तो ऑक्सीजन गैस रिलीज करते हैं. एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. और नाइट में कौन सी गैस रिलीज करते हैं? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. डू यू एग्री विद द स्टेटमेंट? गिव रीजन. Yes, we are agree with the statement. During the daytime they are doing the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis amount ज़्यादा होता है than the rate of respiration. So the net result evolution of oxygen. और photosynthesis की process में कौन सी गैस release हो रही है? Oxygen. But at night there is no photosynthesis, so they give out carbon dioxide due to respiration. Respiration की process में कौन सी गैस release कर रहे हैं plant? Carbon dioxide. But during the daytime they release the oxygen gas. Next very important question. Plants have low energy need as compared to animals. Explain why. Yes, plants do not move. They are stationary. In large plant body, there are many dead cells like sclerenchyma which provide strength to the plant but do not perform cellular function. Plant body, large plant body किसकी बनी है? Dead cells की बनी है. And dead cells maintain, dead cell needs less maintenance. बहुत कम maintenance चाहिए उन्हें. So they require low energy needs as compared to animal. On the other hand, animal can move. They need energy for different activity like movement, search of food, so they require more energy. So energy needs of plants are very low as compared to the animals. Very important. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ डू लीव्स ऑफ प्लांट हेल्प इन एक्सक्रीशन. लीव्स कैसे हेल्प कर रहे हैं प्लांट की एक्सक्रीशन की प्रोसेस में? सी मैनी प्लांट स्टोर वेस्ट मटेरियल इन द वैक्यूल ऑफ मेसोफिल सेल्स एंड एपिडर्मल सेल्स. व्हेन ओल्ड लीव्स फॉल ऑफ, जब सूखे पत्ते गिर जाते हैं, पुराने पत्ते, वेस्ट मटेरियल आर एक्सक्रीटेड. तो प्लांट में जितना भी वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है अलोंग विद देयर लीव्स they get excreted out from the plant body. Next is the what cause movement of body food inside the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal में movement of food कैसे हो रहा है? So what causes movement of food inside the alimentary canal? Alimentary canal में food की movement कैसे हो रही है? With the help of muscles. I told you earlier also, the wall of alimentary canal contains muscles. Rhythmic contraction and relaxation of these muscles. जो alimentary canal में muscles present है वो push करती हैं food to the forward direction. This is called peristalsis. This movement is called peristalsis, which occur along with the gut, जो पूरी alimentary canal में होगा. This movement of food with the help of contraction and relaxation of muscles, this pushes the food into the stomach. This is called peristalsis movement. Very important. Next is the name the correct substrate for the following enzyme. Trypsin, it act on protein. Amylase, it act on starch. Pepsin, it act on proteins. And lipase, it act on fats. Very important. Next is the how guard cells regulate the opening and closing of stomatal pore. The stomata pore will be open or closed. It is regulated by the guard cells. See, the swelling of guard cells due to absorption of water causes opening of stomata pore. जब guard cells में पानी enter करेगा, water enter करेगा, it will get swell due to absorption of water and it result into opening of stomatal pore. While shrinking of guard cells, when the guard cells get shrink, it closes the pore. So opening and closing of stomata due to turgor changes in the guard cells. So opening and closing of stomata is regulated by the guard cells. Guard cells maintain the turgor pressure, turgor changes within the guard cells. So guard cells are turgid, स्टोमेटल पोर इज ओपन. जब गार्ड सेल्स टर्जिड होगा स्टोमेटा पोर क्या होंगे बेटे? ओपन होगा. वाइल इन फ्लैकेट कंडीशंस द स्टोमेटल एपरेचर क्लोजेस. नेक्स्ट इज two green plants are kept separately in oxygen free container. दो green plants सेपरेटली रखे गए हैं बेटे ऑक्सीजन फ्री कंटेनर में. एक डार्क कंडीशन में है, दूसरा लाइट कंडीशन में है. विच वन विल लिव लॉन्गर? गिव रीजन. द प्लांट केप्ट इन कंटिन्यूअस लाइट will live longer because it will be able to produce oxygen required for its respiration. वो ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस कर पाएगा बिकॉज जो प्लांट लाइट में है दैट कैन एबल टू डू द फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस, that can able to do the process of photosynthesis, its respiration by the process of photosynthesis. Next one is again important question. In each of the following situation what happened to the rate of photosynthesis? rate of photosynthesis क्या होगा? क्लाउडी डेज में डिक्रीजेस, नो रेनफॉल इन द एरिया, तो क्या होगा? रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इट विल डिक्रीज. गुड मैन्योरिंग इन द एरिया, उस टाइम पे फोटोसिंथेसिस इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. स्टोमेटा गेट ब्लॉक ड्यू टू डस्ट, अगर स्टोमेटा ब्लॉक हो जाएंगे देन रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस ऑटोमेटिकली विल गेट डिक्रीजेस. नेक्स्ट अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, नेम द एनर्जी करेंसी इन द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, दैट इज एटीपी. Answer will be ATP. When and where it is produced? I told you this is formed in the process of respiration. See, the energy currency in the living cells is ATP. The full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Is the energy currency in the living organism. When and where it is produced? It is produced in the mitochondria. ATP is produced in the mitochondria. We have read this in the process of respiration in living organism, and also during the photosynthesis in the plants. Plants में भी ये बन रही है energy currency during the process of photosynthesis. Next one is मैच द टर्म इन कॉलम ए विद दोज इन कॉलम बी. ट्रिप्सिन का मैच करेंगे बेटे. ट्रिप्सिन फर्स्ट वन विद पैनक्रियाज, सेकेंड वन अमाइलेज विद स्लाइवा. अमाइलेज एंजाइम is secreted by saliva. Third one, that is bile, is secreted by liver. Fourth one, that is pepsin, is secreted by the gastric gland. Next one is, what is the role of mouth in the digestion of food. Digestion of food की process में what is the role of mouth. So first point is, food is crushed into small pieces with the help of teeth. Teeth are present in our mouth and these teeth are helping in crushing of food into smaller pieces. Is mixed with the saliva, the food particle get mixed with the saliva, and saliva contain an enzyme, that is salivary amylase, that break down, again very important function of salivary amylase is to break down the starch into sugar. It break down the starch present in food into sugar. Third thing is tongue is present in our mouth, which help in mixing of food with the saliva. So these three things we have to tell the functions of these three while the digestion of food. First one is teeth, second one is saliva, and third one is tongue. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द व्हाई इज ब्लड सर्कुलेशन इन ह्यूमन हार्ट कॉल्ड डबल सर्कुलेशन. इसको डबल सर्कुलेशन क्यों बोला जाता है? बिकॉज द ब्लड सर्कुलेशन इन ह्यूमन हार्ट इज कॉल्ड डबल सर्कुलेशन. व्हाई? बिकॉज द ब्लड passes through the heart twice in complete cycle of the body. Once through the right half in the form of deoxygenated blood and once through the left half in the form of oxygenated blood. I told you the four chamber of the heart, left chamber and right chamber. Left chamber contains the oxygenated blood and right chamber contains the deoxygenated, that is impure blood. So the blood circulation in human heart is called double circulation because the blood passes through the heart twice. दो बार पास होता है in a complete cycle, in a single cycle. That's why the circulation of blood in human heart is called double circulation. Next one is the mention the major events during the process of photosynthesis. What are the major events occurring during the process of photosynthesis? First one, I told you, the absorption of light energy by the chlorophyll. After the absorption of light energy, this light energy get converted into the chemical energy. It get converted into the chemical energy. Meanwhile, the splitting of water takes place into hydrogen and oxygen with the release of energy and reduction of carbon dioxide. Atmosphere में जितना भी carbon dioxide होगा, that get reduced into the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the food stored by the plant during the process of photosynthesis. So these are the major events occurring during the process of photosynthesis. With this, I am going to end this video. Further, we will continue our topic in next video. Thank you.